Brothers and sisters, and good morning even to those who are following us online. Let me focus my reflection this morning on the first reading. Although the gospel is very beautiful, also the multiplication of the loaves, but you have heard that so many times. Because I know that there is something to learn from the lesson of the first reading. First, Gamaliel warned his fellow Israelites, be careful. Be careful. Because what you are doing may be fighting God. Now, what has been happening? Since day one, when the apostles began preaching about the resurrection and the risen Lord, the religious leaders of Israel were against it. Tumahimik kayo. Ihinto ninyo yung pangangaral nyo dyan sa taong yan na muling nabuhay kuno daw. No? Ihinto nyo yan. They were in prison, and yet the apostles continued preaching. Mas lalong pinipigilan, mas lalong nanggigigil. So finally, Gamaliel must have realized this is something that is not purely human. And then he warned his fellow Israel leaders, fellow children of Israel, be careful what you are about to do to this man. Learn from the lesson of history. That's his first advice to the leaders. Learn from the lessons of history. Because he enumerated several cases. Some time ago, there was Judas who appeared claiming that he was someone important, and about 400 people followed him. Wow, ang daming followers. 400. Eh, nung nawala si Judas, nawala na rin yung mga followers. And then another one, Judas the Galilean, lumitaw. Maraming mga tagasunod. Nung pinatay si Judas the Galilean, nawala na rin yung mga followers. Pero sabi ni Gamaliel, but this time, it's different. Patay na yung kanilang leader, nandito pa yung mga followers at very eager pang mangaral. Let us learn from the lesson of history, Gamaliel would say. You know, there is one person who once wrote, he who forgets the past is doomed to repeat it. That's George Santayana. He who forgets the past is doomed to repeat it. Pag nauntog ka sa hamba ng pinto, learn from that. Tandaan mo yan. Otherwise, posibleng mauntog ka uli. Eh, ang problema sa atin, sa ilan sa atin, para tayong kanta ni Gary V, di na natuto. Diba? Di na natuto. Minsan nang nagkamali, inulit pa rin. Minsan nang nadapa, sige pa rin. Hindi natuto to. Matuto tayo sa lesson ng kasaysayan. Di ba, nakakalungkot? Ilang taon lang, eto na naman, parang nakalimutan na, wala akong binabanggit na pangalan, ha? No? Pero eto na naman, parang wala tayong natutunan bilang bayan. Learn, according to Gamaliel, learn from the lessons of history. Ang ikalawang gustong ipaalaala sa atin ni Gamaliel ay ito. Kung yan ay sa Diyos, yan ay magtatagal. Kung yan ay galing sa Diyos, hindi ninyo yan maitutumba. That is why the Catholic Church is very, very careful in declaring something as real apparition. Diba? Sometimes it takes years. You remember many years ago, there was allegedly an apparition of the Blessed Virgin Mary in Agoo, La Union. Yung iba siguro doon, nagpunta pa sa inyo eh. No? Yung iba siguro sa inyo doon, nagpunta pa eh. No? Nasaan na ngayon yon? Nasaan na si Judiel? Balita ko, transgender na eh. So, kung yan ay totoo, kung yan ay genuine at galing sa Diyos, hindi nyo yan matatalo. Sabi nga niya you may end up fighting God. And the classic example of this is Jesus Christ Himself. Akala ng mga kaaway niya, napatay nila si Jesus. Pero anong ginawa ng Diyos? Binuhay niya si Jesus. Binuhay niyang muli si Jesus. And therefore, Jesus was right. And His enemies were wrong. Imagine if Jesus remained in the tomb and He did not get resurrected, then His enemies would be right. O see? Nagpapanggap lang yan eh. Pero anong ginawa ng Diyos? God vindicated Jesus. Ang Diyos ang nagtanggol. Kaya kung minsan, mga ginigili kong kapatid, kapag may naninira sa inyo, no? Sometimes ganyan we are being maligned, no? False news or stories are spread about us. Hayaan nyo lang. Kung hindi naman totoo, kung sinisiraan kayo ng kasama nyo sa opisina, kung sinisiraan kayo ng kasama nyo sa trabaho, kung hindi naman totoo, hayaan nyo na lang. Kasi lalabas at lalabas din naman ang totoo. Lalabas at lalabas ang totoo. Because God will not allow the truth to be covered by lies all the time. If it is God, it will come out. If it is God, the Lord will vindicate you. Amen.